Introducing the Zebronics Zeb-JUKEBAR 3900 soundbar. It is available in black color. The output power RMS of the subwoofer comes with 40 watts and the soundbar has 40 watts, a total of 80 watts. The impedance of the subwoofer is 6 ohms and the size of the subwoofer driver is 13.3 centimeters that delivers high-fidelity cinematic experience. The impedance of the soundbar is 4 ohms and the soundbar has a dual driver at the size of 5.7 centimeters with a frequency response of 55 Hz to 20 kHz. The decor-friendly, sleek, stylish and minimalistic design of the speaker matches the room ambience. The soundbar supports multi-connections like USB with a memory size of 32 GB, a line input of 3.5 mm, wireless streaming through the Bluetooth 5.0 version, coaxial in, aux and HDMI ARC Max. The soundbar comes with the functional remote control and the LED display with the volume and media control. This product comes with a standard brand.